Hello everyone and welcome back. Many of you have requested me to make drinks that have no coffee and no tea. Whenever I go to a milk tea shop, what I notice is most of the younger generations, the younger millennials or the Centennials or what they call the Generation Z, they all go for healthier drinks. It doesn't mean really healthy, but they are now more choosy when it comes to drinks that they order. And I found that many of them order just plain fresh milk drinks. What I'm going to share with you today are drinks that are using milk as base. For the milk, I'm going to use pasteurized milk here. And because this has to be a little bit like a treat, these are all iced drinks, I'm going to combine it with evaporated milk. Any brand will do. And I'm also going to use my condensed milk. So if you're using my milk syrup, that is fine. But for those that are not using milk syrup and don't want to combine condensed and evaporated milk, I'm going to show you today how to make them using separate evaporated milk and condensed milk. I'm going to make 3 different drinks here: hazelnut cream boba, vanilla cream boba, and caramel cream boba. The boba or the pearls, I'm going to use golden pearls, so it just looks or blends well with plain white milk. And I'm going to use 2 sizes. One is for 22 ounces, and I'm going to make 2 in 16 ounces cups. Let's start by making our first drink, which is, whatever comes first, it is going to be vanilla cream boba. 150 ml of milk, 22.5 of evaporated milk, and an equal amount of condensed milk. $15 ml of vanilla syrup. So each pump is 7.5, so this is 15 ml of vanilla syrup. Stir. Boba. First drink, vanilla cream boba. Next, it is caramel cream boba, 150 ml of fresh milk or milk of choice. Again, 22.5 ml of evaporated milk and the same amount of condensed milk. And together it is 45 ml of milk syrup. Stir to combine. Boba pearls. Make sure you measure your boba pearls so everything is consistent. Normally it's about 100 grams of boba pearls. Add the ice. And pour the milk over. So this is our second drink, caramel cream boba. For our final drink today, it is going to be hazelnut cream boba. For this one, I'm going to use 22 ounces cup, and I need 200 ml of milk, okay, 30 ml of evaporated milk. This time we're going to make it 60 ml together, 30 ml of condensed milk. For those with shops, I recommend that you make them into a milk syrup so it's easier for you to prepare. You just have to pour from one bottle and mix it in with your milk. Stir. Our beautiful tapioca pearls, golden pearls there. Pour the milk over. And this is our hazelnut cream boba. Hazelnut cream boba, caramel cream boba, and vanilla cream boba. Very light and creamy drinks. For these drinks, you need to make them creamy as well, hence the addition of milk syrup. So I'm just going to try one of them. I can't remember anymore which one is this, but I just love to have the boba this time of the day and this time of the week. It's Monday where I am at the moment. So let me give this a try. Whatever it is, the recipe, very similar. You can interchange vanilla, hazelnut, and also caramel or any other flavors for that matter. Okay? That is very filling. Check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. In the meantime, if you have any questions about these recipes at all, do let me know, comment below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share the love. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.